Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to encourage you to stay positive during this time and never give up. I know this will come to pass. So this video is another DIY that I made, probably the simplest that I've made. I just want to show you this arrangement and the wall decor. Very simple, I promise you. So yeah, if you're new here, you're very welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for all the videos that I'll be uploading. Thank you so much. Let's have fun. The first step is to cut out the foam board. I used a blade to cut these rectangles. The length is 25.5 centimeters and the width is 14.2 centimeters, and I made 8 of these pieces. I made sure that I filed the edges just to make them straight and neat, but there are 8 pieces and this will make the sides for the box. And then this will be the base, which is square of 14.2 centimeters. So 2 of those because I'll combine them for extra strength. I'll also use these strips along the project, and also these mirrors I got from the Dollar Tree. There will be 8 pieces. So all you need is a hot glue gun in order to join the 2 pieces together. So we are going to use the hot glue to join 2 foam boards just for extra strength for the sides of this box. And now I'm going to use the hot glue again to join the sides onto the base. You have to be careful and just hold on a bit so that it's strong enough and it dries well. For the last side, it was a bit tricky, so I had to cut it and level with the other sides because the base was already fitting. So I just had to cut a little bit, like it was about 1 centimeter, so it can level up with the rest of the sides. Yeah. Now that that part was done, I didn't want to see any white, so I painted all these remaining parts that were white with black paint, just so the whole box is black. I had to leave this box for about 10 minutes for the paint to dry. Then I attached the mirrors, 2 per side, using a hot glue. I'm sorry there was an issue with my footage at this point, but all I did was to use the hot glue gun to attach the mirrors, and this is how it looked at the end. And then I attached the PAL stickers in between the 2 mirrors. The stickers have their own glue, so all you need is to just align and attach onto the box. I did this for all the sides of the box, and then for the corners I used hot glue again to attach silver bling. I then covered the top part with the square mirrors using hot glue, just for stronger bond, and that's it. The vase is done. This second project is probably the easiest that I've ever done. I found these mirrors, they're wall mirrors in the 99-cent store, and they were really beautiful. I didn't have to do anything, I didn't want to add anything. So I found these tacky trays as well in the Dollar Tree. I bought 3 of them, and all I'm going to do is attach the mirror onto the tray, and that's it. My decor is done. So I did that for all the 3 trays, and it was amazing. This is how all the 3 trays look like, and all I did was to use glass cleaner to clean the glass to just make sure there is no glue, and yeah, hang them up using 2-sided tape. They are not really heavy, so that was really nice. Thank you so much for watching. For the mini stand on the left, and then the glass jars and the wine bottles on the right, just check my description box for the DIY video and other videos that I've made. Thank you so much once again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please keep safe, and see you next time. Bye.